Okay guys, now we are going to get into missiles and then into rockets. So we're going to start off over here, Saturn missiles. So we have their small Mad Hornet 4-pack here. And then there is a flag missile. And then we have the white noise, just a single 100 pack. And then the Mad Hornet 100s. Decent prices on those. What do we have here? So this is going to be a 72 shot. Interesting. I have not seen that size. See the big 750 shot one there. And then we have some 300 shots. $15. And then we see some missiles here. So there's a ton of different ones of these. You see Warpath and Vixen, Viking. I think these are all pretty much the same size. $5 a piece. See, there's Viking. This would be the Mississippi Gambler ones. Some big USA missiles. What are these called? Atlantis Liftoff. So $16, some really big ones. And you see some smaller ones over here. So these are $4 a piece. These are the USA missiles. Okay. We'll work our way around. Look at the other ones here. There's more Warpath. These are the El Toro ones. Those are the same $5 ones. And what do we have here? Aliens. And then we have the Combat Commandos. These. Let's see. So these are only $6 a piece. Okay, and then we have, what size is this? 14. So this would be a 200 shot. This is by Winda, Saturn missile battery, 200. And then as you see that big flag one again. Then we see some more of those 72 shot ones. Here's two 72 packs. They're 4 packs. What are these? These are the Mighty Max ones, $5 for 4 25 shots. And then we have some Suns, 100 shots, $5. 100 shot Crackling. I assume that's going to be in that same $5 range. Here's some Windows, 100 shots. This feels like that newer kind, yet you can hear that plastic. These are those newer kind ones, $5. Some world class ones. Whoa, world class. Price ones they're way up there. Okay, the El Toro ones, as you can see, there's more of a regular price. Alright, now we're going to work our way around to the rockets. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, we have a box of rockets here by Hot Fireworks. These are the Howling rockets. So, Howling rockets are becoming very popular. Everybody's putting out a brand of them. I will be trying these out at some point. So, Howling rockets by Hot. Let's work our way down. They are running pretty low on rockets right now. Usually this entire area is filled up along with this area here. So let's see, we have Scotty, Goddess of the Skies. The Scotty ones, $20. The Fire Demons, I did buy these. I have not got a chance to try them out yet. Thought the artwork was cool, so we did try those. Or we did buy those, we haven't tried them yet. Big box rockets. El Gato Thunder rockets. Bad Boar rockets. So interested to see what these are. Let's see. Oh, well, here's the El Gato. Let's see, it's $17 for an 8-pack. And a lot of times over here, guys, they will have single rockets right here. So you see the packs here. And then they usually have a single over here, kind of like this right here, or down here, that you can try a single rocket if you'd like. So see here we have the turbos, $11.95 for a 4-pack, or $2.99 for a single. Next up we have the red and blue Super Strober. Be interesting to see. I'm going to guess that's not an actual strobe rocket. We have the Blue Strike rocket. I'm not sure where those are. I do know these July 4th. These were actually good. I did get to try a couple of these out of my pack. So 17. I did try these. See, there's your price. Here's your singles. See some Black Avengers down there. Next up, what do we have here? Display shell rocket. See, $14 for a pack there. Another one that's called strobe rocket. My son's fireworks. It's $15 on those. Then we have the Ace rocket. It's $12 for a pack there. Those are by Starkit. Then we have the Asteroid rocket. That's the 6-pack. Ball rockets. 14. Then we have the Viking brand. Is there a price on these? Yeah, 16. 4 of those are some big rockets. I mean, that's longer than my hand. Okay. And then we have the Ring Masters. 13 for a pack of 4. What are these? The Fat Tail Rockets. Oh, these by Mad Hornet. 13 for a pack of 6. Okay. Now we are getting down into some of the smaller type rockets. Usually come 6 to 12 in a pack. So you see the Daddy Dino, 6-pack there. Tiger Bloom. The Storm Violence. The Fire Sharks. They're out of the Mad Hornets. The Screeching Pterodactyl. This is a 12-pack. Where is that? Yes, that is a 12-pack. Fierce Tiger. Screaming Fear. Screaming Crackle. Junior Screaming. Junior Screaming Crackling Rockets. The Crazed Panic. Sound like screechers. Your classic Texas Pop. Got Speed Demon. There's some Parachute Rockets. Clustering Bees, another classic. Red Meteor. Flying Color Butterfly. Snow and Red Plum. Colored Swallow. Emerald Meteor. Glitterous Lights. I mean, if you like smaller rockets and you just want to give it a try, I mean, they said, just the amount you can try for a good price. Hard to beat. Jewel Glittering. The Streaking Comet. Fiery Phoenix. Silent Hunter. Wild Geese, another classic. Winning Streak. Tricolor. Eagle Rocket. That one is pretty cool. What are these? Fire Shark. I think we saw those down there. Assorted Effects. The Stallion Rockets. Was that a 10, 12 pack? 12 pack. Alien 8 ounces. So for $8.99. The 6 ounces. The 4 ounces. And the 2 ounces. Centurion Skyrockets. The Mini Mite. $6 on those. Spectral Tips. Multiple sizes of those. Mobster Whistling Bottle Rockets. Whistling Air Rider with Report. Whistling Moon Travelers. So, alright guys, that is the rocket section. We're going to work our way back down and head to another section.